Do you want to quickly manage multiple emails in Gmail? Well, in this video, I'll show you how to select all emails in just a few clicks. So here we've got 3 emails. Granted, I could easily just select them individually. 3 is not that much. However, when you've got way more, I'm going to show you this trick and it's going to help you. So to select all visible emails on this page, what you want to do is click the checkbox here at the top left of your inbox. This will select up to 50 emails by default. Now this will allow you to move your emails around, maybe move them to the bin, maybe move them to a specific folder, you name it. All you have to do is click on this and it will select it all. If now you want to change and select none, just go ahead and click on none. So here you've got multiple options. You could also easily just mark them all as unread or as read. So this is how you select all emails in Gmail. Super simple. Thanks for watching, and if you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit subscribe for more email tips and tricks. See you later.